Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on AcuRite 6099 weather station. What is in the box? Verify package contents. Overview. Wind speed. Reliably and accurately measures wind speed and direction, professionally tested to withstand up to 160 miles per hour winds. Info or setup. Setup is simple and easy with a tool-free installation, using a mounting knob that can be tightened around most pole sizes. Lightning. Detect lightning up to 25 miles away, giving you more time to prepare for an approaching storm. Temperature. Gives precise temperature and humidity information even in direct sunlight. Rain. The rain gauge collects rain via a wide-mouth collection container to maximize measurement accuracy, and empties rainfall automatically. UV. The UV index and light intensity sensors detect sun exposure and light conditions in your actual location. Battery backup. Uses solar energy to help power the outdoor device when in direct sunlight, as well as run an aspirating fan that helps disperse radiant heat and maximizes reading accuracy. Functions. Optical sensors track wind direction. High-speed anemometer. Dual precision bearings for accuracy and stability. Wind vane. Solar-powered aspirating fan for enhanced temperature readings. Rain funnel. Self-emptying rain gauge. Feature. High-speed anemometer reliably and accurately measures wind direction and speed up to 160 miles per hour. Easy tool-free installation using mounting knob that accommodates most common pole sizes. Provides precise temperature and humidity readings even in direct sunlight. Rain gauge with wide mouth collection container automatically empties rainfall. UV index and light intensity sensor detect your local sun exposure and light conditions. Uses solar energy to help power the device and disperse radiant heat when in direct sunlight. Setup. Setup requires display. How it works. Device components. Wind speed anemometer. Mounting knob. Battery compartment. Solar cell. Bubble level. UV and light sensor. Rainfall collector. Wind direction vane. Installation. Install batteries. Optional. Install lightning detection sensor. Mount device outdoors. Outdoor device placement. Sensor. Install sensor batteries. Mount sensor. Connect to display. Once the display is on, Access Wi-Fi setup page. Add your Wi-Fi credentials. Once the setup page loads, additional notes. View historical records. Troubleshooting. Specification. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.